the key to building Black generational wealth. Welcome back to Black Dollar and Culture, where we talk about strategies to grow wealth and strengthen our community. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for long-term financial freedom, the Roth IRA. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, why you need it, and how it can change the future for generations to come. Step 1. What is a Roth IRA? A Roth IRA is a retirement account where you invest your money after paying taxes. Here's the magic. When you retire, every dollar you take out is 100% tax-free. Think of it as planting a seed today and harvesting a full-grown tree later without Uncle Sam taking a cut. Step 2. Why it's important for us. For generations, we've faced systemic barriers to building wealth. From redlining to pay gaps, a Roth IRA is a powerful way to break that cycle. It lets your money grow tax-free, meaning you get to keep what's yours. Imagine leaving your kids a tax-free pot of wealth. That's true generational power. Step 3. How a Roth IRA works. You can put up to $7,000 a year into your Roth IRA, or $8,000 if you're over 50. The money can be invested in stocks, ETFs, index funds, or mutual funds, whatever helps it grow. If you start early, compound interest can turn small monthly contributions into hundreds of thousands of dollars by retirement. Step 4. Who can open a Roth IRA? To qualify, you need earned income and must be under certain income limits, currently around $161,000 for single filers and $240,000 for couples. Whether you work a 9-to-5, own a business, or have side hustles, you can start today. Step 5. How to start today. Opening a Roth IRA is easy. You can do it online with companies like Vanguard, Fidelity, or even apps like Acorns. Start with $50 or $100 and make it automatic. Don't wait for the perfect time. The earlier you start, the bigger your wealth grows. A Roth IRA isn't just about retirement. It's about building a financial foundation that our children and grandchildren can stand on. If we start now, we will create wealth that lasts. Let's make that the new culture. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video to spread the knowledge. Together we grow the Black Dollar.